Something's wrong.
Well, honey, the clouds are moving away.
No, this isn't right.
Evan, even if it kept raining, it's not like it could cause a flood in a day.
But today is the day. It has to be. This just doesn't make any sense. Wait a second.
What is it?
Marty said that long cut corners violated building codes.
What are you talking about?
The lake. Long Lake. It's named after him. It's the lake! It's the lake! Get on the Ark! Everyone on the Ark now!
I think we should get on the Ark.
I agree. I think we should get on the Ark also.
I'm cold, I'm wet, I'm going home. Ladies first, move!
Oh my God, this is happening. This is really happening.
Get everyone on the Ark now! Get on the Ark now! Let's go! Get on the Ark! Let's go! Go! Get on the Ark! Let's go! On the Ark! Go! All right, boys, go! Let's go! We're gonna need a bigger boat. Stay here with the kids.
No, Dad. I told you I'm with you.
Careful, everyone! In the Ark! In the Ark! Watch your step! Up the ramp, everybody! Come on! Good. Guys, help me with the door! Get the door! Get the door! Guys!
and you're seeing live images of New York Noah's Ark caught in the storm surge and heading towards Memorial Bridge.
We're gonna crash!
Turn this thing around! We're not gonna make it! Davis Baxter!
I command thee! Hold! Stop! Whoa!
It's not working!
see.
Okay, I got it.
I love you.
Thank you.
All those in favor of the Public Land Act, please signify by saying aye. Good God.
I think we can walk from here. Hello, Congressman. Mind if I park my boat here for a little while?
But how?
The dam, Congressman. Your reservoir ruptured. Prestige crests, it's all gone.
No, they said that couldn't happen. I never thought this... You did this to me. You set me up, you crazy son of a...
Wow, that is disgusting.
If that comes out your front, I don't even want to know what's coming out the back.
Don't look now, Congressman, but the wolves are here. Although I wouldn't worry so much about these wolves as those.
Gesundheit.
As you can see behind me, New York NOAA's prediction came true.
The vote of the Land Act bill has been suspended pending an investigation of Congressman Long for profiteering.
Of course, now the
This
question
doesn't
is,
bode
how will these animals be returned to their natural habitats? Well, something tells me if God got them here, he can probably get them home.
well. The House will undoubtedly reinstate Congressman Baxter when it reconvenes in the morning.